Again, we're finding the standard form of the equation, so write down the generic standard form. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. Help me out. When we fill in x minus h, when we fill in h, what are we filling in? So x minus 2 quantities squared plus y minus, what do we fill in for k? Negative 3 equals 5, and then we square it, right? You're going to leave the answer like that? No, you're going to go x minus 2 quantities squared plus, okay, y minus negative 3, y plus 3 quantity squared equals 25. There we go. So in part C, you have a center of negative 4, 5, and a radius of 2 times root 3. So let's have you guys try this one just to keep you awake. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r, and don't forget to square it, r squared. So fill that in, simplify it, and we'll talk about it. What are you getting for the first part? Left side. X plus 4 squared is a good start. Plus y minus 5 squared. R squared 12. You guys get that? Okay, yeah, because when you square 2 rad 3, that's what you plug in right there and square it, right? So when you square 2 rad 3, you got to square both the 2 and the 3 and then multiply them together, right? The 2 applies as an exponent to both the 2 and the rad 3, that is, rad 3. So that's what? 2 squared is going to be 4 times radical 3 squared is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. That's it. That's the standard form of the circle. Your calculator's not so good at graphing circles, but if you go to like Desmos and you want to graph that circle, what do we just get? X plus 4 squared times, well, I'll start there. X plus 4 squared. Okay, type in like this, x plus 4 quantity squared plus, I forgot already, what was it? Y minus 5? Y minus 5 quantity squared. And then, okay, I'm just hitting shift 6. That's the exponent button. Whoops, yeah, equals, and then it was 12, right? There it is. So all it's doing, this is a machine, it's not smart, all it's doing is plotting all the points, x and y, that satisfy that equation.